to use Cash App to order on TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Cash App to order on your TikTok Shop. So first of all you have to do is just open your TikTok account, and after that just simply click on the search bar, and over here just search for the things that you would want to purchase. For example, you want to buy some books, just simply tap on it, and after that on the top menu where videos, user, sound, places has been written, you will be able to see the option called TikTok Shop. But right now there is some glitch in my TikTok account that I won't be able to see the shop option or on the top menu. But if you see the shop option there, just simply tap on it, and after that just open the video or the item that people have listed here in order to buy it, and just select the product or the book that you would want to purchase. And after that, once you selected the item, in order to make the purchase, just open your Cash App account. Just open your Cash App account in order to make the payment in your TikTok Shop. And after that, just simply log into your Cash App account. And once you're logged into your Cash App account, just simply tap on the banking icon right here and check the balance in your TikTok account if you have balance in there. Right now, I don't have balance in my TikTok account, but if you have it, just simply add that particular balance in your Cash App card, and just handy your Cash App cash card with you, and just copy your Cash App cash card number, CVC code and expiry date right here. And after that, just open your TikTok account, and after that just place the order for the book that you would want to purchase using your Cash App cash card and the CVC code and other details. And this is basically how you will be able to use Cash App to order on TikTok Shop. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.